Hey, this is Nikki here at Discover Kia in Charlottetown, PEI. Right here we have a 2021 Kia Soul EX Plus. Right here we have front grille, classic Kia front grille with the LED lights that just go all the way across. If we take a look on the sides here, tires here are brand new and they have darker rims compared to most vehicles, so it gives you that more sporty look. And if you take a look on the inside in here, all right, and in the interior here, we've got lots of different features. Starting off, it has around 72,000 kilometers on it, so it is a bit lower mileage compared to most vehicles. It comes equipped with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay / Android Auto. Right down here, we have the heated seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your buns warm and your hands warm during the winter. It comes equipped with wireless charging, as well as a USB cord right there, and one in the back as well. We have a beautiful sunroof right up here, so you can take a look at the sun anytime while you're driving. Right, perfect. In the back seat here, we got the mixture of the cloth and leather seating for the optimized comfort. We have lots of headroom with the flat roof. It gives you optimized as much headroom as you could possibly get in a car like this. You got rear seat cup holders back here, and let's go take a look at the trunk. Here we are. Here's the trunk. You've got tons of room back here. This is what it looks like with the seats folded down. You got as much room as you could possibly fit in here. And right down here is the spare tire, so in case of any emergencies, you always got that. All right, and again, I'm Nikki here at Discover Kia in Charlottetown, PEI at 78 Allen Street. If you want to come take a look at this beautiful vehicle, you can always give us a call at 902-894-4069. And don't forget, this is our used vehicle of the week, so it is a certified pre-owned vehicle. Comes with lots of different things, such as a 30-day exchange privilege, 135-point inspection, and a mechanical breakdown protection.